Hi, I'm Todd Meyn and we're down here at Cottesloe Beach in my hometown, Perth, Western Australia, and this is my bike check. Currently, I am riding a TotalBMX Voltron frame, top tubes 20.6. It's real responsive, that's what I like. I'm also riding the World Peace TotalBMX bars, Primo stem and the TotalBMX Limelight forks. As for my wheel setup, I'm running some chrome profile hubs front and back, alienation rims, tie spokes, tie bowls. I like everything as light as I can get it. And KHE park tires. As for my brake setup, I'm running fly calipers with all Odyssey cables, Colony transformer lever, and impurity gyro detangler thanks to Bret Trigg. My seat is a premium fat seat. I like to do a lot of bar spins, so that's why I got that. As for this part of my bike, I'm running profile cranks, been running my whole life, tie spindle, tie bolts, all that stuff. TotalBMX sprocket, it's got the Union Jack in it, looks sweet, and premium pedals. I'd like to thank TotalBMX for hooking it up. Yeah, love my brakes, they work sweet. Nah, that was shit.